Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This magnificent house that sits on over quarter acre of land was recently reduced significantly and is well established close to the main thoroughfare from Montego Bay to Negril. The corridors of Montego Bay is just minutes away. The occupants enjoy a nice view of the mountains with a glimpse of the ocean from the balcony. This property is ideal for larger family settings and also possess income generating potentials. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 260,000 or Jamaican $40 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.